a national study has revealed that Tunisia is struggling to cater to migrants, refugees and their children. This was presented during the Tunisian Forum for Economic and Social Rights. The forum urged the government, parliament and civil society to reconsider the way migrants and refugees are treated in Tunisia. CGTN's Adnen Chaouachi brings us more.
The forum added that Tunisia has had a significant migratory flow since 2011 from Libya. The North African state has also turned into a host country for sub-Saharans. Now the government is facing many challenges, including the schooling of children of refugees and migrants.
Libyan and African children in general are facing many difficulties, especially in terms of access to education. 40% of these children have joined private educational institutions, but the rest do not have access to any education.
A large number of children from migrant families have been deprived of schooling because of the material conditions of the parents and the inability to integrate into society.
The 1968 law in the Tunisian constitution recognizes political asylum, but does not take into consideration the development in the past 5 decades. The situation was different in 2019 with the incessant flow of migrants and refugees.
Jamila Ksiksi is a fierce defender of human rights. She is one of the most active Tunisian and African parliamentarians who are pushing for the adoption of a modern legislation to give more rights to African migrants and refugees.
The number of migrants and refugees from sub-Saharan Africa is on the rise. Current laws do not meet the needs of these vulnerable populations. Our role is to improve the situation on the local and continental levels.
The Migration Department of the Tunisian Forum for Economic and Social Rights has denounced violations of the rights of asylum seekers and refugees in Tunisia. The forum considered that in the absence of a national legislative framework on asylum seekers and refugees in Tunisia are placed under the protection of the Office of the United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees. Adnen Chaouachi, CGTN, Tunis.